Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we use yellow color. And now we draw the alphabet of A. The next one is B. Kids, now we draw C. C for cow, C for cat. Yellow color. Now we draw D. The next one is E. Now we use blue color. Blue color. Kids, now we draw F. The next one is G. G for goat. We again use blue color. And now we draw H. The next one is I. Now we draw J. And the next one is K. Blue color. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lemon. Now we draw M and use black color. Black color. M for moon. The next one is N. N for nest. We again use black color and now we draw the letter of O. The next one is P. Now we draw Q. Q for queen. Kids, the next one is R. Now we use green color. Now we use green color and draw R. R for rose. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. Now we draw T. The next one is U. Kids, we again use green color and now we draw V. V for van. The next one is W. Now we use red color and draw X. Red color. X for X-ray. The next one is Y. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Kids, now we draw numbers. First we use yellow ochre color and now we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. And the next one is 2. Now we draw the number of 3. We again use yellow ochre color. Now we draw the number of 4. The next one is 5. Now we draw the number of 6. We again use yellow ochre color. 7. 8, 9, 10. Today we draw alphabet and numbers. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.